Welcome to the module on the Creator System. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed in your UGC career? Let's talk about the constant feeling of overwhelm that plagues many new creators. Picture this: a messy desk, scattered thoughts, and endless tasks. This is what creator chaos looks like. You're not overwhelmed because there's too much to do. You're overwhelmed because nothing is structured. The lack of structure leads directly to the creator's biggest enemy: burnout. This is the frantic creator, constantly checking multiple platforms, emails, and deadlines, feeling like they're falling behind. Most creators don't burn out from work. They burn out from disorganization, from guessing what to do, when to do it, and how to track it. But what if you could replace that chaos with calm, predictable progress? It starts with a system. Imagine transitioning your workspace, physical and digital, into a clean, focused environment designed for clarity. The moment you install systems, calendar blocks, pipelines, simple tracking, you stop feeling like you're trying. The first essential component is time blocks. Treat your time like a business asset, not a casual resource. Use a digital calendar to block sacred 2 to 4 hour windows labeled Creator Professional for key activities like outreach and filming. You are not just scheduling tasks, you are scheduling identity. Creators don't find time, they design it into their week. Once the leads start flowing, you need the second component, a collaboration CRM or organizer. This simple tool, often a Notion template, tracks every single brand deal through key pipeline stages like scripting, delivered, and paid. Stop scrambling for emails. Track deliverables, contract status, and due dates professionally to maintain client trust and momentum. When you put these systems in place, the mental energy you save is huge. You become intentional. You move from reactive chaos to proactive confidence. You stop feeling like you're trying and start operating like a business, structured, scalable, and professional. If you want clarity instead of chaos, subscribe for more actionable strategies to build your UGC business.